How to connect your WordPress site to Google AdSense. In this video, we're going to be talking about WordPress and how you're going to be able to connect it to your AdSense in the easiest and most simplest way. So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to come to our AdSense. Now, once your AdSense is fully set it up and logged in, it's going to give you three options over here where it says payments, ads, and sites. So this is the option that you're going to want to go to because this basically connects your site to AdSense, okay? So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to come to Let's Go. And once you click on Let's Go, you're going to wait for things to load in. Now it says verify your site ownership, okay? So I'm going to click on Next and we're going to click on Request Review, okay? But I'm going to click on Add Another Site in this case. And once we're over here, what you're going to do is you are going to copy the URL off of your main WordPress website. So here's my URL. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come to this section. Let's paste the URL. Once you paste the URL, click on Save. And once you click on Save, what happens from there is it connects it to your AdSense. Now, you're going to click on Let's Go. Here it says select verification method. So you have AdSense code snippet, you have AdSense text snippet, and then you have the meta tag. Now we're going to stay on AdSense code snippet, all right? And now what you're going to do is you're going to come over back to your WordPress, and in your WordPress, what we are going to do is we're going to go to the plugin section and we're going to click on add new plugin. So once you click on add new plugin, you're going to go to your installed plugins, okay? And you're going to go ahead and write header and footer, okay? You're going to write those in and you're going to search those things up. So once you go with that, you're also going to write header and footer code manager. So what this does is it gives you this header footer code manager. So you're going to open this up. And this is a totally free tool that you can install for yourself, but do make sure that you have the WordPress creator account for this purpose. So once you go with that, click on install and activate, and that should install your WordPress code adder plugin into your WordPress. So once this plugin is activated, you're going to come back to plugins. And once you do that, you're going to come down where it says HFCM. Now over here, you're going to click on add new. Okay. And once we click on add new, what happens from here is that it loads things into this section. So it says add your snippet. So we're going to add a snippet name. So let's go ahead and add one. I'm going to add my own snippet name. Like I'm going to go ahead and write AdSense. And it says your snippet type. So in our case, the snippet type is HTML because it's a script code. Okay. So here's our HTML. Now, once we have this HTML on us, here it's a site display. I'm going to go with site wide, okay, which basically means that it goes throughout the site. You can exclude pages and posts. You can also choose different locations. I'm going to go with header, device display, etc. That all is good to go. Now you're going to come here, copy this code. Once you copy this code, you're going to come in this section, paste it, and now we have our code in this section. So once that is done, we're going to click on save. And once we click on save, from here, what's going to happen is that it's going to go ahead, process the AdSense code, and save it all across your WordPress in the easiest and most simplest way. So here, as you can see, our code is now properly saved. Now, once we've added this snippet, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead with I've placed the code, and you're going to click on verify. So what this does is it verifies the code of your website, and you're going to make sure that the code is in. So just go ahead and save it quite a lot of times. And once you save it and update it, as you can see, it lets you know that the snippet is in. So once the snippet, is properly in, you can go ahead and keep on checking this section over here. You keep on verifying because it will only take a few seconds to verify. It doesn't take a lot. So once I've verified my things, let me show you how it looks. Now, once you verify your site ownership and you add the code snippet in the relevant sections in your WordPress, you're going to make sure to launch your site as well. So once you've launched your site and you've placed the code, you're going to verify it and everything's going to get verified. You're also going to review for request. And once you have reviewed everything, it will go ahead and connect your WordPress site to your AdSense in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, I haven't launched my site, which is why it won't verify things, but this is basically the main step. So just verify your site, through the launching, and you are good to go. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.